Let us now talk about signing up for Trello and setting up your profile. Before that, let's have a quick understanding or review of why Trello is the go-to tool. With 50 million plus users worldwide and 80% of Fortune 500 companies already using it, you don't need more reasons to use Trello. Okay, so getting started with the Trello website. So Trello.com, and this is how the website looks like. Trello brings all your tasks, teammates, and tools together. Keep everything in the same place, even if your team is not. A productivity powerhouse, simple, flexible, and powerful. All it takes are boards, lists, and cards to get a clear view of who is doing what and what needs to get done. Boards, lists, and cards. Now, that's exactly how the board looks like, the list looks like, and the cards look like. Trello, workflows for any project, be it big or small. Project management, meetings, onboardings, task management, brainstorming, or resource hub. You have it all for you. Hitting deadlines, staying on top of tasks, doing more with Trello, so you get everything all at one place. Now, what we are talking about is signing up with Trello. To do that, you need to click on, but before signing up, let's look at the pricing page of Trello. So Trello is trusted by millions, powers teams all around the world. Explore which option is right for you. So free is decent. If you do not have something exceptional that you need from Trello, the free version does the job for you. Free for up to 10 collaborators per workspace. Individuals or teams looking to organize any project. Included in free are unlimited cards, 10 boards, unlimited power-ups per board, unlimited storage, 250 workspace command, custom background and stickers, unlimited activity log, assignee and due dates, iOS and mobile apps, and two-factor authentication. This is what you get with free, and which is a decent thing. Then you have the $5 standard plan, the $10 plan, and the enterprise plan, depending on what you need. So you can have a look at using these compare plan, what you want, what you don't want, and you can take it from there. So that's Trello for you guys. If you have any questions, refer to the FAQ, and if still does not get solved, feel free to get back to me in the Q&A section, or the Facebook or the LinkedIn community, or the school community that you are already a part of. So getting started with Trello for free, we click on getting Trello for free. I need to put in my email. I use temp email. That is my temp email. I copy it to clipboard. I use my temp email. I click on sign up. So it would ask me to accept the cookies. I'll accept all. A few questions. What brings you here today? Organize ideas and work, track personal tasks and to-dos, manage team projects, create and automate your team workflow. Let's start with create and automate your team's workflows. Try Jira. Okay, so the idea is to organize ideas and work and to track personal tasks and to-dos. Trello is the best thing to do. Managing team projects and creating and automating your team workflows. Jira is another software that you must be aware of, and Jira does the job for these two. So we are here to track personal tasks and to-dos. We click on continue. It all starts with the board. So we enter a board name. Let's name it my first Trello board. Next, I can also skip it all, but since we have to set it up, let's set it up. Now organize your board with lists. Name your list. Okay, to do, doing, in progress, reviewed. Next, cards name. Okay, let's keep it at whatever they are suggesting. Kickoff meeting. I'm just filling these up. Invite your team. If you think you can invite any of the team members, you can do that. If not, just simply skip this part. And the last step would be to verify my email. Let's see if I have the option to, yes, I got the verify your email. Here it is. I click on verify your email and it's verified. Now I'm asked for my full name. I'm asked to set up a passport. I click on continue. And my Trello board is done. So coming back to this, So I went to the browser, I loaded the home page, I created my account using the email and password, and I set up my profile. So how do I set up my profile here? I go back here, so that's Savan Kumar. So I click on profile and visibility. I can manage my profile, I can update my username, I can update my bio, click on save. Then I have activity, I have settings that I want to update, and the card. So that's all that's there in my profile. Add personal details, adjust settings, and so on. Then you can create a new board, create workspaces, and look at recent boards. Let's look at that. I click on Trello. Here it is, most popular templates. That's Zira, recently viewed. That's my first Trello board. Your workspaces. If I click on workspaces, I get tints. I would get the same. Start, I haven't started anything, so I won't get anything over here. Templates. So these are the different templates that Trello has for you to use. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much. If you want to create a new board, you can simply click on create a new board, create a board, or start with a template. Let's say I click on this, go to market strategy, remote team meetings. Okay, create, and I will get the go to market strategy template. You are starting with Trello Premium. This workspace has Trello Premium for 14 days with no credit card required. Okay, go to your first board. Now that is my go-to-market strategy template that has all the lists, helpful launch info, to-do, in progress, ready for launch, and launched, with different cards to give you a head start in how you should be organizing things. So the lists, the cards, the checklists, you'll find everything over here. So that's the checklist. You'll find the checklist over here. That's the checklist. We'll talk about each one of this in more details, but yeah, that's that for now. Some tips for new Trello users: keep it simple, don't overcomplicate your first board, start small. So let's not get into this complicated board for now. We use the simple board, that my first Trello board that we created. Customize your experience. Trello offers themes and templates to fit your workflow, so we can customize this theme. How do I customize it? I click on the settings, change the background, photos, maybe this, the background changed. So that's how you can customize it, changing the background, adding custom fields. Then you have the options to archive the items, activity, automation, power-ups, labels, stickers, watch, email, and so many other things, which we will be talking about in more details one by one. You can use the mobile app too. Download the mobile app on iOS and Android. That's that. Few key takeaways: signing up, verifying email, customizing profile, exploring the dashboard, and now features, and start organizing your work. Wish you best of luck and see you soon.